What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee unlocked, opened, and started if the key fob dies. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working and the vehicle's locked. So the first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of our key fob. That's done by pressing this button on the side that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now I'm going to use this emergency key to unlock the driver's door. So I'll put it in the driver's door and then I'm going to turn it to the left or counterclockwise to unlock. And after you unlock the door, it's a good idea to go ahead and throw your key back in your fob just so we don't lose it. Now as soon as I open the door, the alarm's going to start going off. How we're going to stop the alarm from going off is we need to start the vehicle. How we're going to start the vehicle with a dead key fob is I'm going to get in and I'm going to start it like I normally would, but I'm going to use the top of the key fob to press the stop start button. I'm going to show all this to you. I'm just going to be going kind of quickly and the alarm's going to be loud. All right, let's go ahead and open it. So I'm going to get in, press the brake, and then turn the vehicle on like that. And then as you heard there, once the vehicle starts, it will turn the alarm off. And now you'll be ready to drive as normal, and you'll just need to replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.